Thank you for purchasing the Tuni Spectra rollator. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Tuni Spectra should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut the tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once open, you can lift out the rollator and set it to one side. Remove the outer wrapping to separate the rollator frame from all its various components. You should find an instruction manual. Please keep hold of this as it contains useful information on the assembly, basic maintenance and best use of your product. Now you can begin assembly. With the rollator resting on its wheels, first pull the legs apart to open the width of the frame. Pull this red tab to unhook the handlebars. Lift the handlebars upright, then press down on the seat so it's fully open. Pull the black metal levers on each side backwards to push the washer inwards. Clasp them into the plastic slot on the leg tubes. This will lock the handles in an upright position. We suggest applying the brakes to stop the rollator from moving as you finish the assembly. Use the push pins on the side of the frame to adjust each handle's height. Using the holes in the side for reference, make sure the handles are at an even height. Now you can attach the shopping bag. Simply rest the fabric loops of the bag onto the hooks under the seat. The shoulder strap can be easily unclipped and zipped safely inside the bag whilst the rollator is in transit. With the backrest facing outwards, slot the backrest onto the frame using the plastic grooves provided. The Tuni Spectra comes with an optional walking stick holder. To fit it, simply place this small plastic clip to the designated groove that's level with the seat. Your Tuni Spectra rollator is now fully assembled and ready for use. Please keep hold of the box and any packaging just in case you wish to return the item. The Tuni Spectra breaks down into smaller pieces and fits in a supplied carry bag, ideal for travel and storage in a car boot. To store the rollator away, first remove the shopping bag. Unhook the small black levers on the side to lower the handles. Remove the backrest, then disconnect the front wheels by pushing the large red buttons above them. The rollator is now ready to be stored in the carry bag. For more information about the Tuni Spectra rollator or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.